Do you want to earn Robux without spending a single dollar? In this video, I'll show you a few safe and legit ways to earn Robux for free. So let's get started. The first method is to create and sell avatar items. Open the Roblox Creator Dashboard and go to the Creations section. Players love trendy, funny, and unique clothing designs. So try designing stylish or humorous shirts, t-shirts, or pants. Once your design is ready, upload it, set a price, and list it on the Roblox Marketplace. Whenever someone buys your item, you earn Robux. Now let's move on to the second method, creating your own games. Developing your own Roblox games can help you earn Robux without spending money. Your game doesn't have to be complicated. Even simple games can become popular if they're fun. Use Roblox Studio to build a new game. You can add features like special abilities, game passes, VIP areas, and more. When players purchase these features, you earn Robux. The third method is using Roblox affiliate links. Roblox has an affiliate program that lets you share links to games, items, or Roblox itself. You can post these links on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Discord communities. If someone joins Roblox or buys something through your link, you can earn Robux. The fourth method is joining Roblox groups that pay developers. If you have skills in building or scripting, you can join Roblox groups that pay members for testing games, building maps, or creating graphics. This method can be a great way to earn Robux using your game development skills. To join a professional development community, visit the Roblox Developer Forum collaboration page. Scroll down and find the related hiring posts. Read the work details and payment methods. If you're eligible and interested, then apply for the related post. However, be careful of scams. If you see offers promising free Robux and something seems suspicious, report it for abuse. Also, never click on unknown or suspicious links that promise free currency. And don't trust websites that claim to offer free Robux generators. These sites can steal your account, give fake rewards, or ask for your password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.